Let's discuss the forelimbs of the skeletal system. So as we had talked about in the hind limbs, it was the femur, patella, tibia, fibula, then tarsal, metatarsal and phalanges. So here the uppermost bone is the humerus, followed by radius ulna in the hand, and then there is no patella. So in the kneecap area it was patella. In the hind limbs, in the forelimb there is no replacement for patella, but the carpals, the number of carpals increases. So 1 humerus, 1 radius, 1 ulna, 8 carpals, 5 metacarpals and 14 phalanges. So 14 phalanges are the 14 divisions in the fingers that you can see. 5 carpals are present in the hand, 5 metacarpals are present in this region, right? And then you have 8 metacarpals here. So 8 metacarpals in the region of the wrist. Now 8 carpals in the region of the wrist, and then you have 5 metacarpals here. Now the 8 carpals, the name of those are important. They are in 2 segments, proximal and distal. Proximal has 4, distal has 4. Which 4 are part of proximal, which 4 are part of distal is important. So scaphoid, lunate, trichotrum and pisiform are found in the proximal region. Trapezium, trapezoid, capitate and hamate are found in the distal area. Then the humerus, you have the longest bone in the upper extremities, we can say. And then the bottom of the humerus, there are 2 depressions where the radius and the ulna start. Now ulna is longer than the radius. Okay, so ulna is relatively longer. Together they contribute to the movement of the wrist and the hand, but the contribution from the radius is more. So it contributes more to the movement of the wrist and the hand. Now each of the wrist, as we can say, has 8 carpals. In the hind limbs there were tarsals, and how many tarsals there? There we had 7 tarsals and 1 patella. So in all this was for the hind limb and this is for the forelimb. In all both of them have 30 bones. Clear? So 30 bones, 30 bones, 30 bones, 30 bones. So all the limbs together would have 120 bones, as simple as that. Now forelimbs actually give support to the shoulder area, and the head of the humerus fits in the pectoral girdle. And which cavity it is known as? It is known as glenoid cavity. Glenoid cavity in the region of pectoral girdle. Clear? So there is where the humerus attaches. Humerus is the longest bone of the upper extremity. So this is a quick summary about forelimbs. I hope the major bones in the hind limbs and the forelimbs are clear. In the next section we will talk about the pectoral and the pelvic girdle and the bones in the 2 sections.